Welcome. Oh man, it's been a while since I did my last YouTube video, and I'm just excited to show you what's going on with my life. I've just been busy with a lot of stuff, but you know what? I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the fun stuff. Today I got a packed day going on. I have an open house to go to. I have a client that just had a closing for their new condo, so we're gonna go check that out all today. So we're excited. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at 30 Candle Lightweight, and this condominium townhouse is a 3+1 bedroom and 2 washrooms. My client just finished doing some massive renovations, so I'm excited to check it out. I'm going to be here for 2 to 4 with my open house, so let's go inside. So I've been busy with this little one over here. It's been occupying a lot of my time, but it just gives me a lot of joy. Meet Laon. Laon. Alright, go fetch it. Alright, so what's gonna happen is I'm going to meet my client right now. I just helped him close his house about a week ago, and he's just getting settled in. Bought him a fantastic condo here in Toronto, and I got him a little gift too. He likes a little cigar. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see some amazing views, and we're gonna have some good time. Let's go.
27th floor.
Hey, what's going on, Claudia? How's it going, man? Alright, so this is the busy day that I wanted to show you guys. What we did is we had the open house, we played with my dog, we went to see my client's house, and now we're just enjoying it, relaxing, and enjoying this amazing view at this beautiful place. So guys, make sure you follow and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and it's just fun documenting some stuff about my lifestyle, success, and also about real estate. Stay tuned, guys.